खुलुमबाय जत ताखुकते बुखुकसं ताई लामसगो आने ओ चैनल फाइदी जों तिनी नालेनो इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट त्रिपुरानि होते कताल जब नोटिफिकेशन फाइमानि अबनि शर्टमका आईटीआई त्रिपुरा नरक अ जबनि बागै नोटिफिकेशन नायना हांकाय सॉफ्टवेयर नि वेबसाइट थांगै मानाने फाइदी जों आरो थांगै नालेनो अबंखा सॉफ्टवेयर नि वेबसाइट नरक और थांगै नायना मुचुंका हांके टाइप खांदी software.in थांमानि परे बनो पेज ओपनिंग नाय ओ जगह काइसा ऑप्शन दङ नोटिफिकेशन छने ओ जगह क्लिक खाइदी आबनि परे रिक्रुटमेंट आबनि परे नरक अब नगुमानो रिक्रुटमेंट नोटिफिकेशन नंबर का 09/2021-22 और क्लिक खाइदी पूरा नोटिफिकेशन नायनानि हिंके ताकुकते बुकुकसं नरक पुलानो नगुमानो applications are invited from the eligible candidates permanently residing in Tripura for the post mentioned below for placing for government ITIs under the Department of INC. Takukte bukuksong obongka posting bumurok obongka number of post obongka qualification tai experience tai obongka monthly salary buseg rejangne tai obongka age limit faidi chang nalena pulano tongo senior instructor civil ni bagai oboni bagai post tongo total lengka 5 or ni bisingo tongo ST ni bagai 1 SC ni bagai tongo 1 and UR ni bagai tongo 3 obonka number of total number of post onka 5 aboni pore essential qualification tai experience nangnai pulano tongo technical qualification a degree in respective engineering branch from AICTE recognized institution haikeba UGC recognized university haikeba deemed university oboni pore experience nangnai 1 year's experience in a workshop or factory or concern of repute engaged in production or in teaching in a recognized institution takukte bohuksong norok civil tei degree khajak tong nangnai aboni pore logi 1 year experience nangnai aboni pore ta kaisa tongo bongka or norok jodi obo noni qualification kari hinkai jara diploma khajak 3 years diploma in a respective engineering branch from a AICTE recognized institute haikai UGC recognized university haikai deemed university jara omoka diploma khajak rok borok hanke 2 years experience ton nangnai in a workshop or factory or concern of repute engaged in production or in teaching in a recognized institution takukte buksong o post ni bagai jara degree khajak bon bagai hinkai 1 year experience nangnai tai jara diploma khajak bon bagai hinkai 2 years experience nangnai aboni pore salary rejangnai 20000 ke tai age limiting ka 41 maximum aboni pore tongo senior instructor obongka electronics ni bagai oboni bagai tongo kaisa no vacancy tai technical qualification nangnai same no degree in electronics tai oboni bagai 1 year experience nangnai tai jara diploma khajak boni bagai hinke 2 years experience nangnai ta siang je samani omo bai jotono same no oboni bagai ba salary ba same no 20000 tai 41 years inka maximum age limit aboni pore tongo senior instructor electrical oboni bagai vacancy tongo total number ka 3 or ni bisingo tongo SC ni bagai 1 tai UR ni bagai tongo 2 takukte buksong oboni bagai bo degree nangnai electrical tai khajak tai 1 year experience tai diploma khajaron bagai hinkai 2 years experience nangnai o jaga hoite ba typing mistake tongo obono norok naya ta thangdi oboni bagai degree in electrical no nangnai tai aboni pore diploma in electrical nangnai salary was same no 20000 tai maximum age inka 41 aboni pore tongo obongkha nini senior instructor mechanical oboni bagai vacancy tongo kaisa no ST ni bagai same qualification nangnai mechanical te degree khajak logi 1 year experience hayakeba diploma khajak ro boni bagai inka 2 years experience salary same no 20000 maximum age 41 aboni pore tongo senior instructor food technology in bagai vacancy tongo kaisa no year on bagai tai obo same no honi mano degree in food technology the 1 year experience tai aboni pore diploma in food technology abon bagin ka 2 years experience salary same no aboni pore tongo senior instructor COPA aboni bagai total vacancy tongo 2 orni bisingo tongo ST ni bagai kaisha tai yoran bagai tongo kaisha norok nogi mano norni degree tongo nai computer science aboni pore experience 1 year relevant field tai jara diploma khaijaro hankai 2 years experience in relevant field salary bo same no aboni pore tongo senior instructor DTPO aboni bagai total post tongo kaini SIN bagai kaisha yoran bagai tongo kaisha qualification anai degree in computer science no tai logi 1 year experience tai diploma jara khaijaro boro hankai 2 years experience salary bo same no Obonka the selected candidate would be appointed on purely contract basis. Takukte buksong obonka purely contract basis job 11th month ni bagai. Tai jara performance kaham bono extend khaijang nai. Tai the selected candidate should come under an agreement as per the norms with the software. Takukte buksong boni kaisa agreement tongo norok selected ngmani pore boni agreement ji under 5 penny. The candidate shall be selected through written examination or interview whichever is convenient on purely merit basis. Takukte buksong oboni bagai hoitoba written examination nai hoitoba interview nai which one in convenient they obo purely merit basis nai. The date of such test shall be informed on due course. Oboni bagai examination interview ni bagai nongno shahor jang nai. Tai selection payment should be as per reservation policy of state government. Tai selection nai as per the reservation policy of state government tai age relaxation tongo STSC candidate ni bagai as per the provision of government of Tripura. Tai kaise important obonka jara candidate ton nai CITS in relevant trades under NCVT will get preference. Jara NCVT tongnai borono bishi preference reject nai aboni pore norok jodi interest tongkhang kiba norok thangai application ready office of the member secretary Sofet ITI route Indranagar Agartala 31st August ni sekang 2021 4 pm tai aboni pore norok otala onugoi mano obong application form norok o jaga photo ma thapanai abon pore je post ne apply khaini abo mar nai abore item number to norok nogi mano iko obon kha item number 1 2 mane o post jodi apply khaini thanga ke obon bagai item number 1 obon bagai 2 haike mano norok nogi mano 3 4 5 6 7 norok je post ni bagai ri nai abon logi item number bo rirdi aboni pore noni mong suidi capital letter by ta noni father haike husband ni mong permanent address present address ta noni category je mani abo tick mark ready noni contact number email id tai date of birth marane as on 1st August 2021 total je mani years month and days ta noni qualification ready aboni pore noni board university year of passing CGP haike percentage abon pore obongkha experience noni jodi tongkhang kiba noni designation tamo tongmani abon pore experience bufrun sim busuk jora total experience years month date mention khaidi te bo organization bo department hoite khaijak obo mention khaidi abon pore noni place date tai signature ready abon pore logi documents ranang nai PRTC Aadhaar card caste certificate age proof final year mark sheet of graduation aboni pore experience certificate tai obobota sha fill up khainang nai noni je post ni momong item number photo thapadi abon porni ni mom capital letter by ni father haika husband ni mom ni full signature woi noni documents logi ri woi application thangai joma ready takukte buksong o job ni bagai ashak no belekena hambai ang ba ashak jorate karangi toma bagai khulum bagya